Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put hair up for Navratri for comfort. Texture the hair first with Moroccan oil mousse. Then create two sections of the hair as shown. Tie the top section into a ponytail. And then what you do is you incorporate the bottom section into one ponytail. Please be safe when you go for your Navratri Garba and down your ass, keep your distance. Apply mousse to make it look nice and sleek. Grip the hair around the ponytail to ensure it is neat, taut and secure. Now take a small section of hair from the bunch and rest of the hair through a doughnut ring. And you can now grip the doughnut ring into place. Now the section that you've taken out, what we're going to do is to make two parts of it and take a strand of hair from the section that is in the doughnut ring and start plaiting. Make sure you don't plait it too tight. Make it loose and baggy so that when we come to the end, we can dress the plait around the doughnut ring. Kind of go around the bun, plait around the bun. Ask the person that you're doing this style upon to move around when you're going around. Makes it easy. Then what you can do is finish off the plait and tie the end with a band. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Any comments or any videos that you would like us to make, write it down under the comment section. It would be really appreciated. you'll be able to incorporate your bindi or a tika nicely. And you're done. It's a great day flat. So it's nice and secured. Apply some hairspray to give it nice neat finish. Because when you are playing garba and dandiyaras, you kind of sweat and everything, and your hair just gets frizzed up. But with this one, you find by putting hairspray on, it doesn't frizz up so much. And obviously, we applied, we textured the hair with the mousse. It helps a lot. And now the tika and the final spray. There's a little strand on the left hand side which is showing up. I'm just going to put a hairpin to tuck it in. And you're done. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.